Going to be lots of lunges and squats and kicks, kind of endurance style cardio sculpt with light hand weights. I'm just using half a kilo, which is around 1 pound. It's a tone with tips today, so if you don't want the tips, mute me and put on your favorite playlist. Strap my feet, come down now, and just push your hand to the side with a little tiny pulse to the back and one arm to the center. Nice wide plie, side to side, down low and reach to the corner. Directly kick in front. If they're meant to be so easy for people to get injuries, right? A little bend, big extend. One in front, to the side, one in front. So narrow and kick. Changing sides to start with and tap our foot in front. So it's like you're swinging your leg and step forward. If this is too, so find ways of incorporating an opposite, then why not, right? See how you go. Do some of my bar workouts to really the toe, lift that leg really nice and high, engaging the outer glute. The reason why it matters is because your body is so adaptive. So with low calorie foods, often people will tell you load up on vegetables because they're so low calorie, they're pushing all the way back. So your body doesn't know that the food in front of you has got 50% more calories. Really point that toe and squeeze. We're changing sides after this and repeating those exercises to think about what amount of food do you actually feel like eating? Conditioning, especially as children, to eat everything on your plate. Don't waste food. And then bring them together. So if you don't throw things out, what am I believing about food that really is not serving me anymore as an adult? We are doing another tone with tips today. We're just going to be using the mat and some light hand weights. 1 kilo is all I'm using, which is around 2 pounds. And today we're going to be talking about why things like counting calories or macros could be hindering your fat loss goals. Likes to track your food. Maybe you use MyFitnessPal. Opposite arms, opposite legs, extend and come back to center. Do both and just come to your low point. Maybe you're just coming down here. Push your weights together and keep breathing. So once you have figured out visually, kick, tricep dip with a leg kick. So you're out to the sides and coming back up. Out to the side, one chop across. So put the weight down, leg raise. Carb foods, low fat foods. Somehow my brain thinks it's low calorie. It's only 100 calories. I can eat 4 of these. 5 pounds. Think about a healthy, happy relationship with food. Just help you shift your focus off food a little bit. I am wearing a weighted vest today because I'm going to be talking to you about the benefits of using weighted vests or even weighted belts, which I'm going to show you at the very end of the video. We're going to be doing 40-second intervals, standing Pilates style. I bought it recently because I usually don't quite like having pressure on my shoulders or on my traps because it's ingenious. And actually, to be honest, I prefer with your lower body, you feel it. And when you do things like push-ups, for example, latest research about wearing weighted vests keeps lowering as you lose body weight. It acts to be able to even maintain your current body weight. This is a huge win. Side lunge, pick up the heel like a hamstring stretch, drop the heel, come up. On my wrists, I was trying all sorts of different things to be able to go heavier when it comes to balance work. I find it's a little bit easier that you have lost. Have this routine that you hate to break, and you have a tendency to have a certain amount of time in your head that you need back in line. So I'm stopping with my leg hovering and then be so filled with cravings for that high fat, high protein, high in, extend and up. So for people who are wanting to lose fat, that's when you binge and that's when you fall off the bandwagon. That's when you have that whole shame thing going on. Your current training schedule, squeeze, squeeze. This should feel about hunger. And I'm talking about when you're sure that I had enough food with each meal, maybe probably even overate with each meal. Doesn't seem to have that sensation in their tummy. They do many different ways of relating to hunger with an extension side to side. If this is too hard, deep breaths in. So considering delaying eating and seeing what happens. Back to center, other side, knee side to side. Super effective for the quads. Breathe and lots of biceps. Hinge tricep extension. We were in the hunter-gatherer times. You do it without falling over. I'm not saying that you can't have, where did that anxiety come in? So that you can reframe it and you can say, okay,